Hey, this is Wally from Dean Team Golf Carts. We're going to go over cleaning a windshield. There's certain products to use, glass cleaner, Windex. You've got paper towels. You can use a terry cloth towel. Just make sure that it's not been used a bunch of times because you don't want any kind of shavings, any kind of debris that's in the towel. Personally, I like paper towels better because you can use them, throw them away, and you're done, and they're a little cleaner. But the terry towels will work. But basically, just like cleaning a car windshield or windows at your house, you just kind of spray it on, and then just kind of make sure you get all the corners. Now, I like folding the windshield down. That gets the inside of the top part. So basically, just get everywhere you see. And if you're if it's been put up for the winter time, you're starting to get it out for the summer, you want to go ahead and clean it. It's always good to have a good, nice, clean windshield. Basically, same on the front side. I always kind of fold the towel over several times. Make sure you're not getting, especially if you've got a dirty windshield, you may go through more than just one paper towel. This one, you're going to get a little bit of dirt, but if you've got one that's really muddy, dirty, gravel dust on there, you got to kind of be gentle. You don't want to really scrub or you'll scratch. These are, they're plexiglass, so they're going to scratch real easy if you don't watch out. You want to make sure if you use a terry towel that you don't have any debris caught in that terry cloth. That's basically the front side, and then you can kind of look, and if you're in a garage or a light, you can kind of see if you've got any streaks. But a good window cleaner like Windex, or we use this stuff, it's kind of commercial, but Windex, works good. Any kind of glass cleaner. And then basically I kind of did the top again. You don't have to do it twice, but kind of just even streaks. Just don't press real hard. And like I said, I kind of fold it over and get a clean spot on the paper towel. Then while you're at it, you can always hit your mirrors. Make sure those are clean too. If you've got a touch screen, you can kind of wipe it down, just get the dust off of it. And I'll get this other mirror here. And that's basically it. And you can kind of look and see if you've got, if you need to do it twice, if it's really dirty, maybe you went through, a mud puddle. And the first, you can always do a second or third, spray with the Windex and try to get it really clean. And that's basically it. So this is Windshield Cleaning 101 with Wally at Dean Team Golf Carts. Thank you.